Meet the Precision Painter's Dream Tool. This sleek stainless steel spray gun, with its polished chrome finish and ergonomic handle, delivers flawless control for automotive detailing or artistic projects. Its flexible nozzle bends to reach tight spaces, while the durable metal construction ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're touching up cars or creating masterpieces, scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more professional tool discoveries and expert tips. Key features include stainless steel construction, universal compressor compatibility, and a flexible 12-centimeter nozzle for ultimate maneuverability.